Mia is a young girl. She is 10 years old. She lives in a small town. There are many nice people in her town. Mia goes to a small school near her house. Every morning, she walks to school with her friends. She likes to learn new things. One day, Mia hears her teacher talk about the English language. The teacher says English is very important. Mia listens carefully. She thinks about it a lot. Mia wants to learn English. She knows English can help her in the future. She dreams to travel the world. She wants to visit new places. She wants to meet many people. She thinks, if I can speak English, I can talk to people from other countries. She feels happy when she thinks about it. Mia asks herself many questions. What can I do to learn English? Where can I start? How many words do I need to learn first? She feels a little scared, but she knows she can do it. She believes that she will become better if she tries. Mia makes a small plan. She writes her plan in her notebook. She writes, I will learn 5 new words every day. I will listen to English songs. I will watch simple videos. I will speak simple sentences with my friends. There's a small library in Mia's school. Mia goes there after class. She looks for English books. She finds some easy storybooks. She sits down and reads them slowly. Sometimes she does not understand a word. She asks the teacher for help. The teacher is always happy to help her. At home, Mia tells her family about her plan. Her mother and father are very happy. They say, you can do it, Mia. Her little brother claps his hands and says, Mia will speak English very well. Mia feels very happy. She knows there will be hard days. But she also knows there will be good days. Every night, Mia writes in her small notebook. She writes what she learned. She writes how she feels. She writes what she wants to do next. Sometimes she draws little pictures next to her words. Mia smiles when she sees her notebook. She feels proud. She knows this is the start of a big journey. She knows learning English will take time. But she is ready. She believes that if she works hard and stays happy, she might become very good one day. One morning, Mia wakes up early. She feels excited. She wants to learn more English today. She thinks, what can I do to be better? Mia decides to ask her teacher. She knows her teacher can give her good advice. At school, Mia waits for the right time. After class, she walks to the teacher's desk. She smiles and says, may I ask you something? The teacher smiles back and says, yes, Mia, what do you want to know? Mia says, I want to learn English better. What should I do? The teacher looks at her with kind eyes. The teacher says, there are many ways to learn English. Let me tell you some. First, the teacher says, practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day can help a lot. Do you have 10 minutes each day? Mia nods and says, yes, I do. Second, the teacher says, listen to English songs. Music can help you learn new words. It can make you feel happy too. Mia smiles because she loves music. Third, The teacher says, watch short English videos. Where can you find them? Mia thinks and says, maybe on the internet. The teacher says, yes, there are many good videos online. Fourth, the teacher says, speak with friends in English. Even if you know only a few words, use them. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Fifth, the teacher says, write simple sentences every day. What can you write about? You can write about your day, your dreams, your family, or your friends. The teacher gives Mia one more tip. The teacher says if you read English books, you might learn even faster. There are many easy books in the school library. Do you like to read? Mia says, yes, I do. Mia listens carefully to every word. She writes all the advice in her notebook. She feels very thankful. She says, thank you, teacher. I will try my best. The teacher smiles and says, I believe you can do it, Mia. Just take one small step every day. Let's work hard together. Mia leaves the classroom feeling very happy. She knows what to do now. She believes that with these good tips, she will learn English better and faster. Mia follows the advice from her teacher. Every morning, she wakes up early. She sits at her small desk and opens her notebook. She reads the tips again. She smiles and says, I can do this. First, she practices English every day. She spends 10 minutes reading new words. She writes them in her notebook. She says them out loud. She tries to remember them. Sometimes she asks herself, how many new words did I learn today? She feels happy when she learns more. Second, Mia listens to English songs. She finds simple songs online. She plays them again and again. She sings along. She does not know all the words at first, but she sings with a big smile. Her little brother sings with her too. They laugh a lot. Third, Mia watches short English videos. Where can she find good videos? She uses her mother's phone to watch videos for kids. She listens carefully. She tries to say the words after the video. Sometimes she watches the same video 3 times. Fourth, Mia speaks English with her friends. She says simple things like, how are you? What do you like? And where do you live? Some friends laugh because they are shy. But Mia says, let's try together. They all try and have fun. Fifth, Mia writes in her diary every night. She writes about her day. She writes about what she learned. She writes about her dreams. Some days she writes only a few sentences. Some days she writes a lot. She does not worry about mistakes. She knows mistakes help her. There are days when Mia feels tired. There are days when Mia forgets a word. But she does not give up. She says to herself, I will keep trying. I might make mistakes, but I will learn. Mia feels proud when she sees her notebook full of words and stories. She knows she is getting better. She knows every small step is important. She knows learning English is a long journey, but she will not stop. After 1 month, Mia feels much better at English. She can say many sentences. She can introduce herself. She can talk about her family. She can ask simple questions like, what is your name and where do you live? Mia feels proud every time she speaks English. At school, Mia answers simple questions in class. Her teacher smiles and says, "Good job, Mia." Mia feels so happy. She thinks, "I can do it." There are still words she does not know, but she does not feel sad. She knows learning is a journey. At home, Mia talks to her family in English. She says good morning, good night, and thank you in English. Her family is very happy to hear her. Her little brother also learns some English words. They play together and use simple English sentences. Mia keeps writing in her diary every night. She writes about her day. She writes about what she did at school. She writes about her dreams. Some days she writes many sentences. Some days she writes a little, but she writes every day. One weekend, there's an English speaking contest at Mia's school. The teacher asks, "Who wants to join?" Mia feels shy at first. She asks herself, "Can I do it?" Her friends say, "You should try, Mia. You are very good." Mia thinks about it and says, "Yes, I will try." On the day of the contest, Mia feels a little nervous. She holds her notebook and reads her simple speech. She says, "My name is Mia. I love learning English. English helps me talk to many people. I want to travel the world. I will work hard and learn more." Everyone claps. The teacher says, "Mia, you did very well." Mia smiles and feels very proud. She knows she might make some small mistakes, but it is okay. She did her best. After the contest, many friends come and say, "You are very good, Mia." Mia says, "Thank you. Let's all learn English together. There are many things we can do." Mia believes that with time, practice, and a happy heart, she will become very good at English. She knows there will be more contests. There will be more stories. There will be more dreams. Mia is ready for all of them.